All right, here we are. Let's continue with this lesson. We're on deleting records now. Share my little screen here. So yeah, we're kind of getting to the home stretch. Yeah, we got a few more to go. All right, so we're here on deleting records. What do we do if we want to delete all these records? If we receive code in the contact route, we can find the delete button looks like this. So let's go to contact.tsx. And so somewhere in the form, here it is right here. Looks like this. We have this form component. Well, the action is destroy, methods post. And there's an on submit event. Well, on submit function takes an event and response. We get a confirmation. Please confirm you want to delete this record. If there's no response, event.prevent default. Or if there's no response, then we'll just keep the browser, I guess the browser state where it is. And we have the button here with the type submit. All right, cool. And this action destroys what we're looking at. Note the action points to destroy, like link to form action can take a relative value. Since the form is rendered in the route contact/contact ID, then a relative action with destroy will submit the form to contacts/contact ID/destroy, much like edit when clicked. At this point, you should know everything you need to know to make the delete button work. Maybe give it a shot before moving on. You'll need a new route. Okay. We'll need an action at that route. We'll need delete contact from app slash data.ts, and we'll need redirect to somewhere after. So I will say this: if you want to try, okay, try and follow these steps to do it. And again, it's wash, rinse, and repeat. Uh, if you want to try and do it, you can pause the video and then try to work on it on your own. And I mean, if you don't get it right, it's okay. Uh, you probably not going to blow your computer up if you try it on your own. Okay. So yeah, I would, go back and maybe, try to do it on your own, following these steps. And if you can't, that's cool as well because we're all learning. So go ahead and pause the video now. All right, we're back. So I don't know if you tried or not. If you did, great. If you didn't get it, that's fine. If you did get it, kudos to you. So anyway, what do? We start off by creating the new route, and that is using uh touch. Again, you can go right over here into your routes and then do a destroy contact.tsx. You can do it that way, or you can do it from your terminal or get bashed. So I'm going to do it from there. I'm going to open up a new window, and it's going to be touch was it app slash routes slash destroy dash contact.tsx. I believe that's correct. App slash routes slash destroy contact.tsx. Yep. Let me make it a little bit larger. All right, cool. So that's created. Okay. And then I need to add an action to the route. So we got to create the route here. So let's go to routes.ts, where we go here. And so here we have all of our routes. We're going to make a new route. That's going to be the contacts slash the contact ID slash destroy. Contact ID slash destroy. And that is going to direct us to the routes. slash destroy dash contact dot tsx. Basically, it's going to direct us to, or route us to rather, that component that we just made. All right. So there's that. Now we need to add the destroy action. So we're going to do that inside of destroy contact.tsx. I'm going to go over here to destroy contact.tsx, and I'm going to type all this stuff out right here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to import redirect from React Router. Okay, that's imported. Then we're going to import the type route, all that stuff. From // plus sign types / root. And then we're going to import delete contact from apps/data. Is that correct? Oh no, not from there. From data. Let's do this again. Make sure we get the right one. Import delete contact from, what was it? Dots data. Yeah, there we go. That's over here. That's the one we wanted. Just delete contact. Yep. And now we need to our action right here. So let's come back over here. Export default async function. I believe it's action. Is that correct? Yep, and it's passing in params. And then route.action args. And we're going to await the delete contact. And pass in params. I believe it's contact ID. Yep. And then we're going to return redirect with an empty, with just a slash. And as you know, or you should know, with the quotes, it can be a single quote or double quote. It doesn't matter in this case right here. All right, navigate to a record and click the delete button, and it should work. Let's see, fingers crossed. Uh-oh, what we got here? Oh, okay, it looks like it's working now. So I'm going to get rid of Michael Jackson because you're not the Michael Jackson I thought of. Delete. Please confirm you want to delete this record. I click OK. Oh, and get an error method not allowed. Oops. Objects are not valid as React child found. Objects are not valid as a React child. Let's see. I wonder if that pops up here. No. So I'm going to check my spelling and such, make sure I have all the stuff correct. Now let's see. Let's see. Await delete contact params.contact ID. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I think it's dealing with the with the type, it doesn't like that. Oh, I didn't finish that. Uh, type start. Okay, so that should be. Uh, let's see. Let me fix this. Let me import route. Oh, import type route. Import type route from dot slash types slash. It should be destroy contact. There we go. That should do it. Let me see now. I'm gonna come over here and refresh. Come back. All right, and now, well, I don't see Michael Jackson anymore. Let me see who else is on the cutting block. Um, Igor. Igor's probably a cool guy. I gotta delete him. Okay, still get this method not allowed. I don't understand what that is. Let's see. Render objects are not valid because it does delete them. So the record is deleted. However, uh, I'm getting, I don't like that message there. I don't think that's how we want this to work. Let's see, import redirect from React Router. Import type route from types destroy contact. Yep. Import delete contact from data. Export async function action. Type params. And then route dot action r's. Oh wait, delete contact. Params ID. And then return redirect. Huh. I am not certain what that is. Be totally honest with you. Oh. Let me check my routes again. So I'm going to go to routes.tsx. Make sure I got that correct. Contact ID / destroy. Yep. And then routes / destroy contact.tsx. Okay, that looks good. Oh. That was good. I don't know. I'll move along. And maybe I can find it later. I'm going to do this cancel button. And then we'll pause for the cause. Now let's see. When the user clicks submit button, form prevents the default browser behavior of sending a new document post request to server, but instead emulates the browser by creating a post request with client-side routing and fetch. The form action destroy matches the new route at contact / contact ID destroy and sends it the request. After the action redirects, React Router calls all the loaders for the data on the page to get the latest values. This is revalidation. Loader data in routes / contact.tsx now has new values and causes the components to update. Add a form, add an action, React Router does the rest. Okay, cool. On the edit page, we've got a cancel button that doesn't do anything yet. We like it to do the same thing as the browser's back button. We need a click handler on the button as well as use navigate. So let's go back over here to edit contact. We're going to add use navigate. So in edit contact.tsx, we've already imported form and redirect from React Router. We're also going to add the use navigate hook. All right, cool. And then here we're going to instantiate use navigate. And that is going to happen. That is in the, I believe, in the loader. No, edit contact. So let's go over here to edit contact. So right here after this contact is loaded out here, we'll instantiate navigate. So const navigate is going to be an instance of, not navigate, navigate is going to be an instance of use navigate. All right, cool. And then let's come down here inside this button that we have. So we have our submit button. Where are you, submit button? You're down here. And then we have this other button, this cancel button, which we haven't done anything yet. What we want to do is we want to say, hey, we're going to add on click. And what do we want to do on the click? We want to add this function here, this anonymous function. It says, hey, we'll navigate. I keep putting navigate for some reason. And it looks like that's it. Now when the user clicks cancel, they'll be sent back one entry in the browser's history. Let's see if I go to cancel, it goes right back there. Okay, so cool. All right. So let's go and see what's happening. Why is there no event.prevent default on the button? Good question. A button with type button, while seemingly redundant, is the HTML way of preventing a button from submitting its form. Cool, it's good to know. So when you have the type button, then it's not going to resubmit. It's not going to submit the form. It just clicks, if you will. 2 more features to go. Woohoo! We're on the home stretch officially. So next video, we'll look at URL search params and get submissions, and maybe I'll try to figure out the bug that I have here when deleting the records. We'll see how that goes. All right, so I will meet you in the next lesson.